Here we're looking at a few endocrine glands, thyroid glands. On the anterior view, you have thyroid. On the posterior view of thyroid, you have these four little small glands. They are kind of like sphere shape. In the posterior end of thyroid gland, we don't see it here. They are called parathyroid gland. They're important in regulating the calcium. So thyroid gland, it's kind of like a butterfly shaped, and it's in the anterior neck. It's located here. And in the posterior end of the thyroid, you see the four small glands located. They're called parathyroid. You have adrenal glands above the kidneys, adrenal glands. Pancreas. In the pancreas, you have a group of cells. They're called islets of pancreas, or islets of Langerhans, or pancreatic islets. Those are endocrine in function. And endocrine in function means they are secreting into the bloodstream, as opposed to exocrine, like skin, like a sweat glands, which is releasing its content to the surface, not through the bloodstream. You have ovaries in female and testes in male. Those are also part of endocrine system. Here is showing histology view of the pancreas, and this group of cells, islets of Langerhans, these group of cells are endocrine in function, and this is a histology section of pancreas. And this cluster here is your pancreatic islet, or islets of Langerhans. Here we see thymus, also part of endocrine system. We have here, you are looking at pituitary gland, which really is made of two glands. One part is the glandular structure, which is called anterior pituitary, and this part is called posterior pituitary, which is kind of like nervous tissue structure. This is more in the anterior end of brain. In the posterior end of brain, you have pineal gland, which we're going to see in the next lab where it's located, both pituitary gland and pineal gland.